Meanwhile, the military and police leadership reiterated that their relations remain strong. This despite the loss of lives in the Mama Sapano clash. Again, here's Freddy Abando.
The top brass of the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police pledged their unity in defense of our people and the country. The Mama Sapano incident, where 44 SAF troopers deployed to arrest Malaysian terrorist Marwan were killed by MILF and BIFF forces, has raised concern for the lack of coordination in the operation dubbed Oplan Exodus. Based on the timeline of the events on January 25, there has been constant communication between elements of the PNP SAF Force, the Western Command of Mindanao, and the 6th Infantry Division in Maguindanao from the start of the mission to the start of the encounter, the raging firefight between the SAF troopers and the Moro rebels, the deployment of AFP assets for the extraction of the beleaguered SAF troopers. AFP Chief of Staff General Pio Katapang and PNP Acting Chief General Leonardo Espina said the operational lapses will not affect their cooperation in fighting the enemies of the state.
This is just an unfortunate incident, but nothing will break us for being a band of brothers. Magkakasama po kami sa hirap at ginawa.
And you will always be strong together for the country.
Opo. Wala po itong bahid o hidwaan. Nagkakaintindihan po kami ng PNP. We were just doing our jobs.
Wala akong competition.
Trabaho lang po ito, walang personal.
We will always be united. May mga gusto ko lang linawin yan, butit na tanong nyo. Dito siguro sa particular operation na to, merong hindi pagkakaintindihan, hindi pagkakaunawaan, granting yung situation on the ground at that particular time. Walang kinalaman yan sa buong unity, vibrant relationship namin ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. The Chief of Staff is my classmate. Kita niyo naman yung Commander West Mincom. In the times of need, he was the first one I contacted, and he immediately moved his men. Sabi ko, tulungan mo yung mga bata ko na papaengkwentro, and he moved them, all of them.
Former Marine officer Congressman Gary Alejano beard competition among commanders in the field of operations has been a long-standing problem in both armed services. Alejano fought in Maguindanao in the all-out war declared by former President Joseph Estrada against the Moro rebels, which led to the capture of all their camps to include Camp Abubakar. Alejano said it's time for the AFP and the PNP to learn from operational setbacks in major campaigns. As Pina stressed, Mama Sapano will be a major case for the AFP and the PNP to improve their joint operations.
So have to raise that, because otherwise, dalawa kasi ang tinitingnan natin, no? It is the accomplishment of the mission and the welfare of the people. No? Dalawa yun eh. Sa akin kasi bilang commander dati, kahit na-achieve natin yung mission, pero namatay naman ang lahat ng tao ko, for me, it is not a success. No? Winaway ko yung welfare ng tao ko in the accomplishment of the mission.
With the Mama Sapano incident and the lessons learned, will this enhance the cooperation and coordination between the PNP and the AFP forces?
You said it right. Lalo kaming magiging, we will learn from this lesson. Isa sa mga pinupunture po namin dito ay ano ba nagpagkakamali? Parang hindi na nauulit. No?
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.